The wind whooshed across the yard as Bluey stretched her paws wide, a bright red towel tied around her neck like a mighty cape of superpower. She stood tall on the slide, eyes glowing with excitement, and shouted, "Today I am Super Bluey." Bingo gasped, her mouth wide. "Wow, you're really going to fly," her voice bouncing with amazement. Bluey leapt off the slide, landing with a dramatic roll, her cape flapping wildly. "Did you see that?" she barked proudly. "I can soar through the sky." Bingo clapped her paws again, while Muffin arrived, eyes wide with curiosity. "Super Bluey, save me," Muffin cried, pretending to be stuck on the swing. Bluey raced over, her cape fluttering, lifting Muffin down with heroic drama. 5 seconds later, Snickers rushed in, dragging a stuffed toy. "My puppy is trapped on the roof," he announced. Bluey puffed out her chest. "No worries, I'll handle this mission." She climbed up the playhouse carefully, stretching high, and plucked the toy free, holding it up like treasure. The crowd of pups cheered, their tails wagging furiously as Bluey posed with heroic pride. But the fun didn't stop. Suddenly Coco shouted, "There's a villain, quick, over there," pointing at Dad, who was pretending to stomp like a monster. Bluey dashed forward, cape flowing, and shouted, "Evil can't win today." She leapt dramatically, tagging Dad's leg while the pups swarmed him with laughter and tiny barks of victory. Dad roared, "Oh no, I've been defeated," before falling onto the grass in silly slow motion. The friends piled on him, giggling and squealing. Super Bluey saved the day. 10 seconds later, Bingo whispered, "But every superhero needs to fly." Bluey nodded bravely, climbed onto Dad's shoulders, and stretched her paws out wide. Dad ran around the yard, lifting her high as the cape billowed in the wind. For a moment, Bluey truly felt like she was soaring, her heart racing with pure magic and endless joyful sparks. As the sun dipped low, the pups lay in the grass, still buzzing with heroic excitement. Bluey grinned. Being a superhero isn't about flying, it's about helping friends, her words firm yet gentle. Bingo hugged her tightly. "Then you're the best hero ever," her eyes shining with lovely pride. Bluey turned to the camera, her cape still fluttering, and shouted with a smile, "If Super Bluey made you smile, give a like, hit subscribe, and fly back for more epic adventure."